Alright guys, this is a very exciting video. In this little bag right here and in these two tubes, there's all kinds of silver, graded coins, proof sets, lots of variety of coins that I got from APMEX. It's about a $300 unboxing. I have already gone through this stuff, but I'm going to show it on camera now, and I did get this for Christmas. So if you want to see what's in this package here, then stay tuned. Alright, so let's start off with these two coin tubes. So I have already opened these up and seen what's in here. So this one is 1909 through 1919 wheat cents. So I'll just go through the top few here. I already quickly searched through them. I found a couple 1911s. Those are like the best things I found. A lot of them were 1919. There's a 1919S. It's kind of hard to see them on camera. They are average circulated condition. A lot of 1919s in here. There's a 1911 right there. So, pretty cool. I think I got this for like $13. I'm not exactly sure how much I paid for this, but very nice there. So, full tube of 50 pennies. And then this one right here is 90% silver mercury dimes, 50 coin tube. So I definitely don't have that many mercury dimes. Now I have a full tube of them. I think other than this, I have only like 10 of them. So these are very awesome. They're average circulated condition. There's a 1940, 1936, 1943. I haven't really gone through the dates in these. I can go through the dates in these in another video. I probably will be doing that, 1943, 1940. But, so stay tuned for that. So I'll put these aside. So very cool right off the bat there. Some 90% silver and some old wheat pennies. Now, let's get into this very tight and stuffed Ziploc bag full of coins. Alright, so I open this up. Very tight. Alright, let's see what's off the top here. This seems to be a 1 gram silver bar, and I know this is a pretty bad investment because you're really not getting that much value off of what you pay for because there's a high premium on these tiny bars. But, I mean, you have to just buy one of them. They're just really cool, and I don't know, I think it's kind of funny how small it is. I paid like $2 for it, so not the best investment. You don't want to go out and buy like hundreds of these. But they are pretty cool just to have one, just to say you have it. And then here are two little tubes, or little rolls of 35% silver war nickels. I think there's 20 in each of these. Let me read it. Or $1 face value. So that's pretty nice. I got two of these. See if I can read the date off of. There's this one's, I think, 1943. And then this one, trying to get it to focus. I'm trying to see the date on that, and let me let you guys know. I don't know, I can't tell the date on this one. The roll is too tight on it, but I will put these aside, and I will go through these in another video. So let's see what's next in the package. It is a graded coin from NGC, and it is a mercury dime MS65. That is very nice. This is my first graded mercury dime. The only other graded coin I have is actually a silver eagle, and so this is actually my first real graded coin, so that's really nice. NGC got that nice sticker on the back, MS65, and it is a 1941, so very, very cool. And then now let's see what else is in this package. Alright, next thing in here is a 1 ounce APMEX silver bar. It's a bar from APMEX, from their company. And if you are wondering what APMEX is, it's an online website where you can buy gold and bullion, just any precious metals, and you can also buy some coins and all kinds of dollars. So pretty much a website that sells all kinds of stuff, numismatic related and bullion related. Very cool website. And this seems to be another graded coin, 1953 Jefferson nickel, proof 67. So definitely got a little bit of an oldie here, and it is a proof. So that is great, and it is graded by NGC. So definitely know it's real. NGC is a really nice grading company. So that's a very nice coin there. Get a good shot of this. 1953. And it is a proof 67. Very nice. So that is really cool. Awesome addition to my collection. Put that over here. Let me see. So this is what we've gone through so far. These two tubes, 2 graded coins, silver bar, these 2 rolls of 35% silver war nickels. And now let's get into our next item. So our next item is a United States proof set from 1977. And so this is from the United States Mint, and I'm pretty sure this box is from 1977. So these coins have been in here since then. And I do not plan to take them out, of course not. So that's very nice. Proof set from 1977. You got the cent, you've got the nickel, half dollar, Eisenhower dollar, quarter, and a dime. All proofs. That is very cool. And then I'll show you guys the back. The reverse of all the coins. Very shiny and full of luster. So that is my first proof set. So that is very cool. I do have some mint sets, but I don't have any proof sets. So that is the first. And now let's get into our next item. And it is actually a proof set. This one is a proof set from 2006. And let's open it up so you guys can see. And I'm pretty sure there's 2, yeah, there's 2 in here. You got a little card that comes with it. And you have United States Mint proof set from all the different coins here. You got a half dollar, dime, nickel, cent, and a dollar coin. And there's the reverse. It says Treasury United States Mint there. Very high quality and nice there. And then you have a quarter set here. And these are all the different designs of the quarter from 2006. So the different state quarters. So you've got South Dakota, Colorado, Nebraska, and Nevada, and North Dakota. So these are all proofs. Very nice. Definitely love proof sets. So now let's get into the final items in this package. Alright, before the video continues, I forgot to mention these in the video. These also did come in the package. They are some rolls of wheat cents that I will open in a separate video. They're both 1909 through 1958. I got them for pretty cheap, and I just wanted to see if I could get anything pretty nice in these, just getting lucky. My prediction is that there will be a lot of 1958s, like 1950 through 1958s, because those are very common. But I looked at the ender here, and this one is definitely a teen. I'm not exactly sure. It is a teen, and I think it does have a mint mark. So I'm very excited to see what is in these rolls. I got them for very, very cheap. So I just wanted to test them out and see if I wanted to buy some more of these to search them on my channel. So stay tuned for that. I just forgot to include them in the video. So with that being said, let's continue the video and roll the clips of the package. Alright, so last but not least here, or actually we still have a few more items, but getting to the end, sadly, we have $1 face value of these dimes, these silver dimes that are BU. So there's the 1961, they're all Roosevelts, 1964, so they're all 90% silver. So that's very nice. They're all BU. So I don't have any BU silver dimes, so that is the first for me, so I'm very excited about that. And then this is a 1922D Lincoln cent. I need this in my album, so that's one reason why I picked this up. The mintage on these are pretty low, so that's pretty nice that I got this. So I definitely will be putting that in my album. And then, see what else is in here. We got another graded coin. This one is from PCGS, and it is a 1945D MS66 red. That is great. That is what the grade is for this. That is very nice. You can definitely see that red color on it. I'm just going to leave it in this package for now. I might take it out later. It's kind of hard to see it in this package, but definitely a really nice coin with a high grade. It's always nice to see those wheat cents with a high grade. So 1945D, MS66 red, PCGS. So PCGS is another great grading company and very trusted. So that's very nice. And then we've got another coin here that I need in my album, my penny album. Wait, is this the one we already looked at? Let me see. The camera's not focusing. No, this one is not. This one is a 1928D. I don't have this one in my album, so I just went ahead and ordered it. So, if you guys are wondering, my parents let me go on APMEX and order a few things that I wanted for Christmas, and they went ahead and bought them for me. So that's what this opening is from APMEX. So, very happy about that, and very thankful for them doing that for me. This is another one I needed, a 1916, I think that's a D. Let me look. The camera's not focusing. Nope, it's 1916S. So, kind of hard to see on the camera there, but not too bad of shape. Camera's not really focusing because it's in the flip. But very cool 1916S. And then last but not least, we have one more coin, one more cent that I needed in my cent album, a 1916D. So we've got the S and the D now. So these are all, I think, a little bit lower mintages because I didn't have them in my album. So a little bit harder dates to get, at least for me. And so now I have them. So this is everything right here from the package. We've got some tubes. We've got some tubes of 50% or 90% mercury dimes, sorry, and there's 50 of them. We have 50 1909 through 1919 wheat cents. And here we've got 2 rolls of Jefferson nickels, 35% silver, silver war nickels. Got a graded dime, MS65, 1941, 1 gram silver bar. Another graded coin from PCGS, 1945, MS66. Proof coin, 1953, proof 67, graded by NGC. Next thing here. 1 ounce silver bar from APMEX, 2006 proof set with the quarters and regular other coins. And then we've got some $1 face value of BU dimes, 90% silver. That's my bird in the background. So she might have been chirping throughout the video. Sorry about that. She's just a little bit excited that I'm talking right now. And then here is a proof set from 1977, and some cents that I needed in my album, some wheat cents, all right here. And then here's the paper that went with the proof set, and that will conclude it. So about a $300 unboxing from APMEX. We've got some graded coins, some silver, some junk silver, some proof sets, lots of variety and cool coins, lots of firsts in my collection, and always great things to add. So very excited about all of these coins and thankful that I got that for Christmas. So just want to say a big thanks to my parents and thanks to you guys for watching. So with all that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and bye.